March seems like 1,000 years ago. Fought my way out of quarantine. Realized we had to get back to work. I know I said no more surprises, but I was really hoping to pull off one last one.
Normal temperature.
The world has changed. None of us can go back. All we can do is our best. And sometimes, the best that we can do is start over.
I saw all of these people on Zoom all summer long.
I keep telling everybody that they should mask up. Some do, but not all.
Even if there is a small chance, we owe this to everyone who's counting on us to try.
We will.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Please get close for taking temperature. Normal temperature.
Educators? Assemble.
Ooh, I like this one.